Good morning, Emily. It's really nice to see you today.
Good morning, Jake. It's nice to see you too. This morning feels very peaceful.
Yes, it does. The weather is perfect for a walk.
I agree. The air feels fresh and clean.
I really enjoy coming to the park early. Everything feels quiet and calm.
Same here. In the morning, there is less noise and less stress.
That's true. It helps me feel relaxed before work.
For me too. A morning walk makes my whole day better.
How often do you come here for a walk?
I come almost every day. If I don't walk in the morning, I feel tired and lazy later.
I feel the same way. I started walking regularly last month.
That's great. Do you feel any difference now?
Yes, definitely. I feel more active and positive.
Walking is a simple habit, but it helps our body and mind.
Yes, it helps with health and mood.
It also helps me think clearly.
That's true. When I walk, I get new ideas.
Do you usually walk alone or with someone?
Mostly alone, but walking with a friend is nicer.
Yes, talking while walking feels good.
Time passes faster when we talk.
So, Jake, how is work going these days?
Work is okay. Sometimes it gets stressful.
I understand. Work pressure is very common.
That's why I try to take care of myself.
That's a good habit. Mental health is important.
This morning walk really helps me relax.
Same here. Nature makes me feel calm.
The trees and birds are very relaxing.
Yes, it feels good to stay away from screens.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes, but today I prefer natural sounds.
That's nice. I can hear birds singing.
Yes, it feels very peaceful.
Look at all these people walking and jogging.
Yes, it motivates me to stay healthy.
Seeing others exercise encourages me too.
Health is very important.
If we don't take care of our body now, it becomes difficult later.
That's very true. Small habits matter a lot.
Even a simple walk can help.
Yes, consistency is the key.
We should make this a regular routine.
I agree. Let's meet here every morning.
Same time every day?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
That will help us stay consistent.
Let's walk one more round before we leave.
Sure, I'm really enjoying today's walk.
Me too. It's a great way to start the day.
I hope you have a productive day today.
Thank you, Jake. I hope you have a good day too.
See you tomorrow morning.
Yes, see you tomorrow. Take care.